Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification to get notified for new videos. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a carousel, and I have my frame here. I just pick a random frame. I have some pictures here and some write-ups. So let's get into it. So what I'm doing here is just to resize my pictures. I want the sneakers to be the same level, and as you can see, I removed the background. I use a plugin called remove background, so you can run the plugin and remove your background. And after that, I'm just trying to resize so that I'll have same um length and height. So that's what I'm doing here. After this, what you have to do is you click on the frame and you select on them, hold shift on your keyboard and select, then you right click to put them in a frame. So this is the next step here. So what I did here was to just put my frame, that's the picture, inside the white frame. I ensure that it's on clip content and I added variants. So I'm going to press on the shift and arrow key to move to the second picture. On my keyboard, just press the shift and arrow key to move to the second picture. So I'm going to do this for all the four picture, add variant and do the same. Press on shift and arrow key to move to the third, to move to the fourth. Just ensure you're creating variants, and you can also always try to rename your variants. Like you can have property to be slide, then variant to be B, C, like that. So yes, just make sure you cross check all your work, which I like to do. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just cross checking all these things so that when I come to prototype, I won't have a problem with it. So I've created four variants. The next step is for me to just prototype my screen. So just watch this closely. After everything, just prototype from one screen to another. And it's your choice if you want to like make the first picture to rotate or not. So for this, I tried to make it rotate. So this is what I did on drag, smart animate. So that's what I did for all. I prototyped them. So I'm done prototyping. I connected it back to if you watch everything. Then I'm just going to grab a new frame. And before I created a variant, definitely I will create the component. So I just go on my assets and pick and drop so that I can show you what we have done so far. So just keep watching the video closely. So this is it. I have finally previewed it. So I've come to the end of this video. Please watch closely to understand. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Till next time. Bye.